Welcome to another Windows 10 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Wi-Fi password, the one for the network you're currently connected to, within the Windows 10 settings. So let's get started. To find your Wi-Fi password in Windows 10, the first thing we need to do is go down to the Start button. Select it and then search for Control Panel. It should be under Best Match, so go ahead and click that. Once the control panel loads, look for View By in the top right. Change that to small icons. Then, select Network and Sharing Center. In the Network and Sharing Center, locate and click on View Your Active Networks. On the right, you should see your Wi-Fi network that you're currently connected to. Click on it. This will display general information about your network. From there, select Wireless Properties. In the top tabs, select Security. Here, you can see various security settings for your Wi-Fi network. To reveal the password, click on Show Characters. Now, you'll be able to see the plain text of your network password. You can copy this text for your reference or to share it with others. And that's it! You've successfully found your Wi-Fi password in Windows 10. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.